Let's cool off in the pool, and we'll begin with the one closest to you. Start by crossing the street, and just a few steps ahead, on your left, there's a narrow alley between the houses. It quickly takes you over to the other side. Just walk about 25 meters in. It's hard to miss. When heading to the pool, it's a good idea to bring something to sit or lie on, like a sun lounger, a beach mat, or even just a blanket. It makes relaxing much more comfortable, especially on warmer days. And of course, don't forget the essentials. A bottle of water to stay hydrated, sunscreen to protect your skin, and a towel, of course. The sun can be quite strong here, even in the morning. A little preparation helps you enjoy the pool longer. Now we're almost there. Just cross the parking area at an angle, and you'll see the door leading into the pool. Please take a moment to read the pool rules posted at the entrance. They help keep things pleasant for everyone. And now, it's time to relax and enjoy your swim. All right, now let's head to the second pool. Start by exiting through the gate of the first pool and turn right. Then, at the first intersection, turn right again. As you make your way down, near the end of the area, you'll see a turn off to the right. Just after that, you'll spot the second pool and its entrance gate on your left. Take your time, enjoy the short walk, and get ready for another refreshing zero. And here's the third pool, just as easy to find. This time, instead of turning right like before, you head left. A short walk brings you near the community gate. Just before reaching it, take one of the last two left turns. Right after that, you'll spot the pool and the entrance gate ahead. Simple as that. Now relax and enjoy another great swim.